In the recent shift towards remote work, having an efficient home office setup has become more crucial than ever. It's not just about having a desk and a chair anymore. It's about creating a space that boosts productivity and promotes a healthy work-life balance. Let's talk about the best remote work practices. It's important to establish a routine and stick to it. Try to start and end your workday at the same time as you would in an office setting. And don't forget to take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Another key aspect of remote work is communication. Without the luxury of face-to-face interaction, we need to rely on technology to stay connected with our team. This is where essential software comes into play. There are numerous tools available that can facilitate seamless communication and collaboration. From project management software like Asana or Trello to communication platforms like Slack or Zoom, these tools can help you stay organized and connected, no matter where you are. Remember, remote work is not just about work. It's about maintaining a healthy work-life balance while working from home. So, it's essential to create a space that is conducive to productivity, establish a routine, communicate effectively, and use the right tools to make your remote work experience as smooth and efficient as possible.